بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
ما ودعك ربك. I need to tell myself, like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, never let Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam down, although he tested him. All his children died in his life, except his Sayyidah Fatima. And he didn't die at 90 or 100, and you say, they were older. He died at 63. All his children, all the girls, subhanallah, all the boys, except Sayyidah Fatima. She actually outlived him, died 6 months after he died. So the question is, this is how I say to myself when I get down, when I feel nobody is helping me, when I feel everyone is attacking me, immediately I'm going to say, well, the best creation he did. But then he told him, ما ودعك ربك. He will never let me down. That's what I always say to myself. He will never let me down. I need to do my duty to him. I need to do my duty to him, which he is telling him what to do, and he will give me the support. Tell this to yourself all the time. He will never let you down. Everyone looks at me when I wear my hijab. He will never let you down. Nobody helped me. Everybody hates me. He will never let you down. Everybody is not good with me. He will never let you down. This is yaqeen. This is what he is giving him. Yaqeen. ما ودعك ربك وما قلى.